Hello, my name is Jordan Wright, and for the next couple of minutes, I'll be giving you a quick narrated explanation of why I've created this wiki and what it is for. I've created this wiki as a university project, and that is to create an authentic learning project for a primary school class. Now, for that, I have actually chosen Year 3 Science, mainly because I have a passion for science. So on the first page of the wiki is just the home page. It's just got the purpose behind the wiki, and just what's on the site, which just gives a little brief overview of what each of the other pages contain. So the next page is the About Me page, which just contains a little bit of information about myself, a picture, and my email. The next page is the project overview, and it just contains the topic, the curriculum, the project duration, which will consist over 7 science learning periods, the final presentation, which will be a PowerPoint presentation that they will give in front of their classmates and teacher. The learning outcomes, and all of these will be achievable by completing this learning project. So learning how to make a hypothesis, follow a procedure, accurately record and analyze results. Learn what happens when a solid and liquids are exposed to changes in temperature. Learning how to use technologies to support learning in a scientific experiment. And learning how to predict what might happen to certain materials when exposed to different temperatures, and then come up with the ideas and apply that to the real world situation, such as recycling. She's got the content on here, the authentic learning, and just some resources. And then the last page is the project content, which actually has each lesson broken down bit by bit. So the first lesson will just be a brief touch teaching the students the foundations. And then the next lesson will actually be the experiment that they run, which will actually teach them some of those learning outcomes. And at the end of that, in the next lesson, they will actually be presenting the first PowerPoint presentation they make, which will just be a review of all the results that they have made from that experiment. After that, in the next double lesson, they will create another PowerPoint, but this time it'll be from their own ideas. So they're going to come up with their own ideas in groups of how they can apply what they've learned from the experiment to the real world situation and create a PowerPoint in groups to present their ideas. And in the last lesson, they'll actually present that PowerPoint to the class. So I've also included some examples of what the PowerPoints may look like. And at the end of the presentations, the students will actually vote for their own favorite presentation, and then that will be put on the school website, allowing other students and parents of the students to see what they've created.